Everyone wants to make money in crypto, but no one wants to sit around trying to time the market, especially when it moves like a caffeinated squirrel on a trampoline. Every day there's a new coin pumping 300%, and a million people asking, should I buy now? Should I wait for the dip? Or, is this the top again? The answer? You don't have to guess anymore. Because while most beginners are stuck riding emotional roller coasters, there's a quiet group of investors winning slow, steady, and smart. They're using something called DCA bot, and it might be the simplest crypto tool nobody's talking about. Let's dive in. Meet Kevin. Kevin's new to crypto. He heard Bitcoin was going to $250,000, so he jumped in at $60,000. Then it crashed to $45,000 and Kevin panicked, sold everything, waited, bought again at $48,000. Then it dipped more. Panic, repeat. You get the picture. Kevin's not alone. Over 80% of beginner traders underperform the market just by trying to outsmart it, because emotions ruin everything. Fear, greed, doubt. They're all part of the game, and beginners lose that game fast. But now, meet Tina. Tina, she's chill. Why? Because she's using a DCA bot. Every week, it buys $20 worth of ETH. Doesn't care about the price, doesn't panic, doesn't chase pumps. It just buys, consistently. And that's the point. DCA, or dollar cost averaging, is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. You're not trying to catch the dip. You're not going all in on the peak. You're buying a little over time. And that smooths out the wild volatility. Instead of guessing the perfect moment to buy, you just keep showing up. Kind of like brushing your teeth. It's not sexy, but it works. Now here's where it gets interesting. Doing DCA manually takes effort, discipline, reminders. And let's be honest, humans are terrible at being consistent. But DCA bots? They never forget. They never get greedy. They never get scared when prices drop. They just do their job flawlessly. And that's why bots are perfect for beginners. Because the biggest danger in crypto is you, your emotions, your impulses, your late night, this coin looks spicy decisions. DCA bots remove that danger. Here's the real breakdown. 1. You choose your asset. Let's say Bitcoin. 2. Pick how often, daily, weekly, or monthly. 3. Choose how much. Maybe $10 every Monday. 4. Bot activates. And just like that, you've automated your investing journey. Done. No guesswork, no spreadsheets, no stressing over charts that look like heart monitors. And here's the best part. Most of these bots are built into popular exchanges, like Binance, Pionex, KuCoin, 3 commas, and OKX. Some are completely free, while others offer extra features like portfolio rebalancing, profit-taking automation, or trailing buy orders. You can even set limits, like only buy if the price is under $40,000. Or pair it with stablecoins like USDT for safer plays. So what happens if you DCA into Bitcoin every week for a year? Historically, DCAing has outperformed lump sum investing. During volatile years, even in brutal bear markets, DCA smooths the ride. And in bull markets, it keeps you in the game, instead of sidelined with regret after missing the pump. In fact, some bots now even offer DCA backtesting. So you can see what your results would have been if you started a year ago. Spoiler alert, the results might surprise you. Once you get the hang of it, these bots can go deeper. Set multiple coins to DCA into like a small cap altcoin basket. Add take profit settings, so it auto-sells after a 20% gain. Pair it with a grid bot, so your DCA triggers extra buys and sells when volatility hits. It's like having a personal assistant who's also a money nerd, but works 24/7 and never asks for a raise. Let's face it, not everyone wants to become a full-time trader. Most people just want a smart, low-effort way to build wealth in crypto without gambling. That's why DCA bots are a budding beginner's dream. They reduce emotion, they encourage consistency, and they help you stop obsessing over the price of Bitcoin every 5 minutes. Because here's the truth, you don't need to be a genius to win in crypto. You just needed the strategy and the patience to stick to it. So next time you feel overwhelmed by crypto chaos, remember this: the calmest investors often win, and DCA bots, they're calm, consistent, and incredibly powerful, especially when used over the long haul. They don't get rich overnight, but they do get richer over time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto wisdom without the hype, and let me know in the comments. Are you using a DCA bot or planning to? Bringing you clarity in a world of chaos. Catch you in the next one. Stay sharp and stay steady.